Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to add a photo to your Gmail or Google profile. It is very simple and takes no time at all. I just want to let you guys know that only 0.1 of you % are subscribing. So if you enjoy this video, make sure you can hit the subscribe button. So all you want to do is head over to the Google app. From here, you want to click on your icon in the top right corner. And then from here, you can click on your icon again with the little camera beside it. You'll then be brought to this screen. All you want to do is click Add Profile Picture. If you're having trouble with this, you can click the 3 lines at the top right corner. You can select Album Archive, Help if you need it, or also Feedback. If you're having problems, you can just let them know so they can fix it. So if you want to add a photo, all you do is click either Take a Photo or Choose some photos. So I'll just do Take a Photo real fast. Just click it, and then just use Photo. You can then crop it and just do whatever you'd like. And once you're done, just click Save as Profile Picture, and then it will save as your Gmail picture. So I hope this video did help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. So I just want to say thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.